The exciting part about being a part of the green transportation is that this is where it all starts. So there's not many other garages that do electric diagnostics. There's not many other garages that work with hybrid vehicles, fully electric vehicles. So being able to be here alongside trained technicians and learn about it firsthand is very good, because as we're all moving forward, everything's turning electric. So I'm able to have more opportunities in my future career with hybrid vehicles. I chose to do an apprenticeship because I'd be able to earn whilst I learned and work alongside trained technicians to get the best skills and opportunities for my future. Sustainable practices I've learned in a workshop is recycling, and that can be just our general waste. Our scrap parts, as we have a separate scrap bin, reusing parts from other cars that would have been scrapped that we can use to fix the cars we're working on. When I first got into cars, I didn't even know I wanted to look at the electric side of it. And in college, as we were learning it, I really enjoyed it. And when I applied for my apprenticeship here, it wasn't a main thing. And then when I come into learning about cars and the electric side of it, I really enjoyed it, and I thought it was a very good way forward. Once my apprenticeship finishes, my plan is to stay here and work alongside Eli, to also train other apprentices, as if it wasn't for Eli, I wouldn't have the opportunities I have now. And I would like to be that for other people that want to come into the electrics business. I would encourage others to use green skills in their future, as the world is moving more electric, more sustainable energy. It's definitely something to embrace as we move forward. As we're seeing more hybrid and electric vehicles come into the garage, I do feel like it will entice other mechanics to turn to the electric side, because although you will always need your brakes, your pads, your tyres, everything is electric now in the new cars, and for them to have that skills, it will help them improve, it will help us improve, and it will help get more cars back on the road.